Hey, today I think we will finish all of our comments, the last comments in this course. Probably you will expect more videos, more advanced videos, and real life AutoCAD projects. So today I will talk about how to draw a polygon, any shape, not a rectangle or square. We can draw pentagon, hexagon, any numbers, any number of sides. So we can call this command from draw polygon or this little icon or POL enter. AutoCAD will ask you three questions. The first question, how many sides? If you would like to draw hexagon, it will be 6. Pentagon, it will be 5. You can draw also rectangle. You can select 4 sides. Then and then enter. After you decide which number of sides, you need to enter to push enter. Then you need to specify by mouse where is the center of this polygon. And then AutoCAD will ask you 2 questions here. Do you need the circle to be outside or inside? We will discuss the difference between the 2 options. Then finally, you need to specify the radius of the circle, including your polygon. Let's try. So if you go to draw, we have polygon or this little icon. You can open this little arrow and you can find polygon or POL. POL, enter. AutoCAD will ask you how many sides. I will say, for example, 6. Then where is the center? 6, enter. Where is the center of the polygon? Click here. AutoCAD will ask you 2 questions. Encrypt in circle or circumscribe about circle. What is the difference? Let's select the first option. Then AutoCAD will ask you what is the radius of your polygon. I will say 5. So AutoCAD draw a polygon with 6 side lengths, and the center was here with a radius equal 5. What is the meaning of inside or circumscribe with a circle? If you draw a circle and the center of this circle is here and the radius is 5, enter. This is the meaning of first option, your circle passing through the vertex of this polygon. If you try this one more time, here is the center. I'm sorry, number of sides 6, enter. Here is the center, click. I will select the second option and your radius will be 5 also. What is the main difference between the two shapes? If you draw a circle, I'm trying to locate the center of this circle. So I draw this line, then circle, center is here, your center, your radius is 5. So this is the biggest difference between the 2 options. The first option, yes, your polygon with a radius equal 5. The second one with a radius equal 5. But this 5 is different than this 5. This 5 for a circle, this circle passing through the vertex. The second 5 is a radius for a circle, but this circle is tangent to the sides. The first one, circle with a radius 5, but this circle passing through the vertex of the polygon. But the second one, 5 is a radius for a circle tangent to each side. So the last time, draw polygon. AutoCAD will ask you how many. I will say, for example, 8. Then where is the center? Click anywhere. It's up to you to select the first option or second option. And then the radius will be 6, for example. So we have a polygon with 8, the number of sides 8, and your radius equal 6. Also, you can use this command, polygon, how many sides? 4, enter, click, your radius is 5, it's rectangle, it's a square. That makes sense? So you can use this command also to draw your rectangle or your square. I think it will be square because all side lenses are equal, so it will be square. This is the first one, polygon. The second command, if you would like to draw ellipse. Ellipse is not a circle. Ellipse, it's something looks like this. So you need to figure out where is the center, what is the radius in this direction, and what is the radius in this direction. Ellipse need two radius or two dimensions, the horizontal one and the vertical one. Let's see, you can call this command from draw. We have ellipse and we have the different options. Or it is here and you can open this little arrow to find that the different options, or you can write EL, enter. So if you try this command, AutoCAD will ask you 3 points. Where is the first point? Click here. Where is the second point? You can make click or write distance. Distance, enter. If you make click, the third one is click here. Here you go. This is ellipse. One more time. I draw every point, or I selected every point with mouse. The first point is the center. The second point is this point. The third point is this point. So I clicked anywhere. But you can, first click is the center. Okay, you can select any point anywhere. The second point, you can write the distance. 3, enter. Will ask you that the second radius. You can write 2, enter. So this one is 3, and this one is, I wrote 5, I think. Anyway, you can draw incomplete ellipse. Click, click, and one more click here, and here, like this. It's a part of the ellipse, not the whole ellipse. So this command can be used to draw ellipse. We covered this command before, how to draw a cloud. You can call it from draw. I think we have a revision cloud, or you can open this little arrow and find here the cloud. And I highly recommend to use freehand like this. Don't just the first click and then it will be closed automatically. That makes sense. And then you can make Hedge solid, and your color is white, so it's a cloud. Looks like cloud. That makes sense. One more time, draw your cloud. I'm gonna select the freehand. The first click only, and then go with your mouse to close it. From draw, revision cloud, or you can write REV cloud, enter. You can get the. Also, if you remember, I used this command to draw a tree. If you get the command arc and draw this shape one more time like this, and one more time like this, and then you can call the cloud freehand, something like this. Then you can make Hedge solid with a color green, and then you can make Hedge also with a color brown. That makes sense? Something like this. And you can get dot DO 0 inside diameter, 0.25 outside diameter. It's a very small fruits. And you can change the color to be red. You can select them after you draw them, and it changes the color. I'm sorry, it changes the color to be red. That makes sense. This is for cloud. There is more options how to find the area or or distance between 2 points, or area for any polygon. Let's try. I will show you something. If you draw a rectangle like this one, and you would like to figure out what is the area of this rectangle, you can go from Tools, Inquiry, and Area. If you would like to figure out the distance between 2 points, you can select the distance. The radius for a circle, you can select the radius. The angle between 2 lines, you can select the angle. Let's start with area. Then you need to click at each corner of this rectangle. Then enter, and you select the area. Here is the area. Your area is 630.0453, and the perimeter of this shape is 110.11 or 0.118. Let's do it with a rectangle with specific dimensions, 5,3. So the area of this rectangle will be 15. Let's try. Tools, Inquiry, Area, click, 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 and then enter, and select the area. Your area equal 15, your parameter equal 16. So whatever the shape, if you draw any shape like this, and you would like to figure out what is the area of this shape, Tools, Inquiry, Area, then go ahead and click at each corner of this shape, then enter. AutoCAD will give you what is the area of this shape, what is the perimeter of this shape. That makes sense? That makes sense. If you would like to figure out what is the length of this line, for example, if you have a line, horizontal line or vertical line, AutoCAD can tell you what is the dimension. You can go for dimension linear and then click, and AutoCAD will give you the dimension, but we have a different option. From Tools, Inquiry, Distance. Just click at the first point, click at the second point, and then select the distance. AutoCAD will give you the distance equal 7.81. That makes sense? Without writing anything, just to give you the dimension without writing. But if you select the dimension linear, AutoCAD will give you the dimension and you have to write it. Then you need to delete it. That's fine. Okay. We have different options to take a drawing from AutoCAD. If you have a drawing like this one, like this tree, and I would like to take it from AutoCAD to my Word or PowerPoint or whatever. First step, I think the best way is to find from Windows snipping tool. You can write here in the search, snipping tool, and then you can make new and make window what you are looking for, then make copy from this little icon, and then open your Word file. Then you can make paste, right click, paste, you can get it. But we have issue here. The background is still black because you got screenshot. So if you would like to get a good picture, go ahead from Tools, Options, and Display Color. Change your color, the background to be white. Apply OK. Before you take snipping from this window, there you go. Copy. Open your Word, right click, paste, you got it. That makes sense? Then you can make it smaller. You can change the position to be at the midpoint or the right side or the left side or whatever you want. And then you can write what you want. That makes sense? This is the best way to get any drawing to your PowerPoint or Word or whatever. Draw what you want, change the color to be white, then using a snap setting, you can make new, make a window, make a window. Then you can make a copy, or you can convert this one and save it as a photo. JPEG file, JPEG file, and you can save it anywhere on your computer. That makes sense? I will go back to the background, which is dark, to be black. I like this background. To show you the last comment in this course, how to print directly from AutoCAD. Keep in your mind, if you would like to print directly from AutoCAD, the computer or the PC attached to the printer must have AutoCAD. Otherwise, you can convert your drawing to PDF. I will show you. So if you would like to print from AutoCAD as a PDF, you can go from File. We have here Plot or Control P. This window will show up. Then you can select the name of your printer. If you would like to print PDF, you can convert the drawing to PDF. Then you can make window. What is the area? Plot area. Window. I will select make a window on the drawing. Then you can make center the plot to center your plot or your drawing in the file. If you would like to make preview, go ahead and make preview. This is how it will looks like after print. That makes sense? So I selected the printer name. If you have a printer connected to your PC, that's fine. Go ahead and select it. If you don't and you would like to convert it to PDF, select this name of printer. Then what is the area of plot? You can select window and make a window on what you would like to print. I highly recommend it to select this option, center the plot. Before saying okay and the printer will be printed, you can make preview. Is it okay? If you would like it, right click and then make plot. And I will save it on the desktop with a name called Ayman. Save, and it will be open automatically. It's a PDF file. It's a PDF file. You can copy it in any flash memory and print it anywhere, because any PC can print PDF files. If you go to the desktop, you can find it here as a PDF file. That makes sense? Any question? This is how to print from AutoCAD. This slide show you need to select the name of the printer, what is the size of your paper, window, to make a window around the drawing you would like to print. Make sure you center the plot, make sure you preview, then okay to print your file.